Here are a few of the implements I have for my Farmall and International tractors. The small fast hitch disc is an F38. It's a 5-foot disc. It's meant to go for a Farmall cub. I found that it works pretty good with my Super A. I plan to use this to go out and do food plots out in the woods. I just recently acquired this. The little drag disc, this is a model 23A McCormick Deering disc, sometimes called a cub disc. This is about 4 foot wide. It's a pretty nice disc. The big one here is an 8-foot model 9A McCormick Deering disc. I do remember I paid $500 for this at an auction. I think the little disc was $300. And the fast hitch disc was $220, I believe. And then in the back, there's a Dunham cultipacker. We got this pretty cheap. It did have bad bearings in it. It actually takes a wooden bearing, believe it or not. So I did have to make new bearings for each end. They're actually like octagons. It was kind of tricky to make them. But for anyone wondering how these drag discs work, it's a pretty neat idea. Normally you would have a rope attached to this hook here, and then there's these little cogs, and basically you'd pull up on this latch when you were on the tractor and you'd pull ahead, and that's how the disc would angle. Same principle here on the little cub disc. Might be a little easier to see, but you'd pull up on this lever, and then this whole piece will slide on the inside here, and that's how you would angle the disc. I also have 2 fast hitch plows. The one is for a cub and the one is for a Super A. I do keep those inside, but this stuff here I keep out in the woods by this old rock pile. That's all hand-picked stone from out in the fields over the years. So I thought someone might like seeing these old implements. I'm no farmer by any means, but they serve me pretty well.